Hello, my name is Dr. Ernesto Lee, and AI is not the future. AI is the present, and its embrace is not limited to tech companies or these large conglomerates. The beauty of AI, especially in today's landscape, is that AI is accessible to all. We truly have AI for everyone, for every role, every profession, every skill level can now harness AI to elevate their tasks, from the C-suite executive making strategic decisions to the entry-level employee managing data. AI tools, they're revolutionizing how we work. Consider tools like ChatGPT, or the nuances of low-end prompt engineering. Now, this might sound technical, but in reality, they're designed for ease of use. They're not designed for developers, they're designed for end users. These are tools for decision makers that anyone can use, from creatives to analysts, salespeople, tech people. Imagine a salesperson preparing for a crucial client meeting. Instead of spending hours on research, they could use AI-powered tools to analyze market trends, predict client needs, or even draft initial proposals. Every single mundane task, every minute is optimized. But it's not just about using AI, it's about understanding it. And that's where the true empowerment comes from. With the right training, even complex AI concepts becomes approachable. The barriers to understanding and utilization, it fades, replaced by confidence and competence. And this is precisely where our strength shines. Our solutions cater to this entire spectrum. Whether your clients need a basic understanding or they want to delve deeper into AI's intricacies, our courseware stands ready. By partnering with us, you're not just offering tools, you're offering transformation. You're equipping your clients with the knowledge and the capabilities to harness AI's vast potential. So, in conclusion, the AI revolution is not coming, it's here. And it's not just for the few, it's for everybody. So embrace it, understand it, and champion its promise. Equip your clients. Be their beacon in the AI realm. And together, we'll shape the future. Until the next time.
So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments, we are all ears. Oh, and speaking of not missing out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed our content, and ring that bell to be updated when we post our next video. The AI-powered future is right around the corner, and Trivera Tech is here to help guide you through it. Until next time.